Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport. Review aimed at being as versatile as possible. The Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport replaces the Tiger 1050, which was produced from 2007 to 2012. It's smoother, more powerful, and comfier for rider and pillion alike. It has a lower, narrower seat, and the old projector headlights have been replaced with conventional items, with a broader beam. It's fast, fun, practical, comes with ABS, and has a commanding, upright riding position. It's seen less of an adventure bike nowadays and more a funky-styled sports tourer. Ride quality and brakes. Comfort is improved with new bars set closer to the rider and new foot pegs, which are mounted further forward. But taller riders will find legroom cramped after a long ride. A narrower, lower seat is better for shorter riders, and the lower pillion position and new grab handles will make your passenger's life easier, too. With its longer swing arm, the Tiger Sports rolls into corners more predictably, and it's more stable in fast sweeps. A firmer rear shock and revised damping settings front and rear keeps things more stable, especially two-up. Although handling and braking performance are very good, weighing 235 kilograms, the Triumph is relatively heavy, which gives it an older generation feel compared to its newer rivals. Pirelli Angel ST Sports touring tires have more grip, wet or dry, than dual-purpose adventure rubber. Engine. As with all modern-day Triumphs, the engine is a beauty. The Tiger Sports 3-cylinder 1050 cubic centimeters motor has a broad spread of power, loads of usable punch, and a glorious exhaust note. It has enough get-up and go for swift overtakes in top gear, or wheeling out of second gear hairpins. The throttle response is largely good, but can be snatchy at low speed and throttle openings. With its new exhaust, air filter, and fuel mapping, power is up 10 brake horsepower to 123 brake horsepower at 9400 RPM, and torque is increased 4 ftLb to 77 ftLb at 4300 RPM. Reliability and build quality. We've got loads of Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport owners' reviews, and they do show a mixed bag when it comes to reliability. Some have done 25k miles with no issues, while others have had electric and mechanical problems as well as some warranty claims. Value versus rivals. The Tiger Sport's two closest rivals, crucially, machines with road, not dual-purpose tires, are the 500-pound more expensive KTM 990 SMT and the Kawasaki Versys 1000, which cost the same. The KTM is still the more accomplished machine. It's lighter, punchier, better handling, more fun, and worth the extra cash. But the Triumph is more involving and, above all, better looking than the Kawasaki. Equipment. The Tiger Sport has Nissan radial brakes, adjustable Showa suspension, and ABS as standard, but you have to pay extra for all the goodies you need for touring. But there's a big range of official accessories available, including panniers, top box, tank bag, a taller screen, headed grips, and handguards. Specs. Engine size 1050 cubic centimeters. Engine type 12V, inline 3-cylinder. Frame type Castelli beam frame and single-sided swing arm. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Seat height 830 millimeters. Bike weight 235 kilograms. Front suspension fully adjustable 43 millimeters Sachs forks. Rear suspension preload/rebound adjustable single rear Sachs shock. Front brake 2x 320 millimeters discs with 4-piston Nissan radial calipers. ABS. Rear brake 255 mm single disc with single piston Nissan caliper. ABS. Front tire size 120/70 x 17. Rear tire size 180/55 x 17.